Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to draw the arc. So to start, let's select the plane, and I'll draw mine on the right plane. Click Sketch. And now, let's draw the first type of arc, which is a center point arc, which is you select your first point, you drag it out, select your second point, and you now pull it. And another way is you select your point, drag it, so select your third point, and you draw your arc. Again, select your center point, drag it out, select your second point, and now drag it out, and select your third point. And that's how you draw the first type of arc. And the second type of arc is a tangent arc, which means you always have to start that arc on the end point of some type of line segment. So we'll select this end point, and now it allows us to drag it out and select our second point, and you can keep going that way. And that's how you draw a tangent arc. And the third type is a 3-point arc. I use this a lot, and you'll most likely be using this a lot too. And I click my first point, click my second point, and drag it up. In my opinion, it's the easiest I've found in it. Click my first point, click my second point, and you drag it up. You can click your first point, click your second point, and you can drag it down. So it doesn't really matter. You can click your first point, click your second point, drag it to the side. So thank you. That is how you draw the arc in Solidworks, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.